Combining the style of yesterday with the performance of today and tomorrow, this impressive Camaro Restomod is tailored to the enthusiast who wants to drive the absolute best. And if you've been languishing at your computer, debating a purchase while your favorite relics vanish from our inventory, it's a rare chance at sweet redemption. The beneficiary of a detailed 4.5-year restoration, this slick first gen sports a glistening coat of Chevrolet Rally Red 2-stage. Believed to be all original, the car's rock-solid sheet metal is both straight and precise. And it all adds up to one very well-done classic that's tough enough to hit the road and nice enough to steal the show. Open the doors and you'll find a stylish interior that's been lovingly restored. Vinyl trimmed bench and bucket seats ride black and red carpet. A good-looking dash complements green-lit gauges with modern climate control. A wood-trimmed console founds a canted Hurst shifter between modern audio and familiar GM accessory gauges. And the driver spins a reproduction Rosewood wheel on a tilting column. Lift the hood and you'll find 489 cubic inches of stroke Chevrolet big block that's wedged inside a clean, professionally detailed engine bay. That engine is bolted to a tough Tremec 5-speed that spins a 12-bolt rear with a posi-traction differential and 373 gears. This awesome Camaro looks absolutely predatory and is sure to attract a ton of attention wherever it goes. For more information, call, click, or visit rkmotors.com.